up? We're at Pyramid Lake. Gonna try to get on some stripers today. I'll be with Joe out there. Do some trolling, some swim baiting, all the stuff. There's quite a few people out here though, but it's probably because Castaic is just a disaster with the launch ramp and everything. But yeah, I'm excited to be up here. I really want to catch some fish. I was up here the week of Thanksgiving and I was swim baiting around the marina and a little bit out. It was a little windy, but I didn't catch anything. So try to get some redemption today and definitely catch whatever, some stripers, some largies, anything. So we'll see what happens and see you guys out there. Yeah, dude.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
No, we're not gonna net anything today. Actually, how like, dude, what is he doing?
Oh my god. Oh, that's got smoke.
Oh, dude, good time to do.
Oh.
Yes, sir. We doubled up, guys. I didn't do intro yet, but Mike and I are out here at Pyramid Lake. Twice one. I got one right there. He's got another one there.
Oh, he's a big one.
Keep that right on. Just on, leave it.
Oh yeah, 20 contest. Yeah, these are chunks. All right, guys, I just actually tied this on last night. This is Joe's shad fly. I just put this one on. I hadn't had this one on for a while. But yeah.
I caught him on the yak. On the
shad. His yak fly and then his shad fly. There's a little bit different color variation to them, but they both get smoked. That's for sure. Oh, I got off. Yeah, baby. Ooh, good on that.
Yeah, gnarly in there, man.
Woo. Thanks, dude. Let's go. That was a good look. There we go, baby. Let's go. Thanks, dude. Yes. There it is.
Yeah.
Thanks, dude. Yes. Easy, easy. All right.
Nice, dude.
Little guy. Take it though.
Yeah, good job, dude.
Little stripy stripes. It's always fun. It's always fun. I'll probably throw them gone.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, dude. I'm already on. Yeah. It's a little guy though. Oh. Give him some head shakes. Gas gets a little bigger. Oh, peanut mushy fly. Later. Nice, dude. Let's go. Double, baby.
Yeah.
Yes. Like that. Let's go.
This one's half decent.
Thanks. Well, look, that could be bigger than last time.
This one's better.
Do you need that at all? Good?
No. Oh, look at the graph, dude.
Oh, yes. Let's go, dude.
Woo!
Yes, guys. Let's go with the doubles. Come on.
Another double one.
Good hook set too. Really good.
better?
Yeah.
Let's take your time. I won't get bit. Sweet.
Yes, best one of the day.
Not
Yes.
bad.
Yes.
3, 2.5, 3 pounder.
Heck yeah, dude. Yes. Best one of the day for me, guys. All right, guys, look at that. Best one of the day. Solid. Late. Oh, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I saw that load up, dude. It's like zip. Nice.
There you go. Got one, right? Oh, it took you a while to bite.
Yeah. All right. Woohoo! Another one, guys.
Sweet.
Yeah, back on the board. Later. All right. That was a deep one, huh?
Yeah.
That was way down there, dude. Like 50 something.
Yeah. That's a lot of work for it.
Yes,
Sure.
that's better.
Yeah? Yeah. Awesome. Oh, it's going too fast. I just...
Yep, there we go. Doubles. Double city. Had to get bit in that stack.
Yeah.
I mean, that was like
Massive.
peanut mushy and yak fly.
Yep.
Yeah, baby.
That's an awesome spool.
Yeah.
Another double up.
Chunky, dude.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah. How'd it feel? Not bad, huh?
Oh yeah, not bad at all.
Might just hit that. Yeah.
Fat.
Yeah.
Real fat and healthy, huh?
Yeah.
Not long, but freaking healthy.
Yeah.
Real healthy
So
striper.
fat.
It's heavy. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a nice looking striper. Look how clean his lines are. It's a nice one. Super healthy.
Good.
Later. Back down there. Yes. Let's go. Another healthy one, dude.
Yeah. Very healthy. Ooh. Oh my. Yo, strip the right side here. You see it on the right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Yes, sir. Hooked up. Nice.
Way down there, huh?
Way down there. Sure.
Short fat guy. They're kind of fat. They're like largemouth almost.
I
Dude.
know, right?
They're just short and fat. He gave up, huh?
Sweet. Yeah, he didn't fight it out. And the last bit.
Oh, yeah.
There he goes.
Sweet.
Nice.
Another chunko.
That's fun right there.
Later.
What is point? 4.5 or 5. 4.5 or 5 colors. Dude, there's so many, even on the bottom. Oh. Yeah, big spikes, dude. Oh, jeez.
Oh, let's go back. Darn. Oh, I got one.
Oh,
yes,
double.
let's go. Oh yeah, that shakes up.
Better head shake when they're out so deep, huh?
Getting back for it. Double.
Sure.
Yes, let's go.
Nice. Dude, they're so stacked. Oh, yeah.
Glad I dropped down that one more color, you know?
Yeah. Same spot.
You were 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I had just dropped down to 9 after you hooked up. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go.
That's a good one.
There's a fatty.
Did it feel better too?
Yeah. Yeah. Heck yeah. Nice one. He's pooping blood. I don't know if I've ever seen that before.
Pooping blood?
Yeah, look at him.
Never seen
He's got a bad, he's got hemorrhoids. All right, we had a good day out there, guys. Just trolling for striper using the yak fly and the peanut mushy fly.
Peanut mushy fly.
And that's available on your site, right?
Yeah.
Go to, what's the best place to
Actually, it's
fly?
called the Joe's mushy fly.
Joe's mushy fly. What's the best place for them to look for those flies?
JoeShowFishing.com.
Okay, cool. I'll put the link in the video description too. But they get smoked. It's such a fun bite too. It's a reaction bite on those flies. But well, thanks for watching, guys. And see you on the next. All right, one more take at that because I didn't say thank you to Joe for taking me out. So I appreciate it.